Dear friends and colleagues, on behalf of the Asia Pacific Pediatric Association, I'm honored to extend you a warm invitation to our flagship event, the 17th Asia Pacific Congress of Pediatrics, or APCP. The Congress is fast approaching, taking place from the 10th to the 13th of March next year in the historic city of Lahore, Pakistan, and also online. This will be a hybrid Congress as we think we will not be out of this pandemic yet by then. The organizing committee has been working tirelessly in putting together an excellent scientific program. The scientific program can be viewed as a series of tracks covering the latest hot topics and developments across specialties of pediatrics, featuring more than 100 hours of sessions in parallel streams across 4 days of state-of-the-art presentations, plenary sessions, symposia, and workshops. Besides the scientific program, our hosts and organizers have chalked out a rich cultural program, sightseeing, and other social and networking events for those of us who can make it to Lahore. We all look forward to seeing you at the 17th APCP in Lahore, the city of magical charm and timeless beauty, or online if you're not able to travel by then. For those who are attending the conference at Lahore, we believe that you will have an enjoyable and enriching experience there.